Santa brought us? Are we ready to see what Santa brought? Come on, Daddy. Let's see what Santa Paws brought us. Ooh. Look at that. Whose stuff is that? What did Santa bring you? What did Santa bring you? Look at all that cool stuff. Yes. That's a good sit. You don't have to sit before you get Santa gifts, though. They're just yours. Oh, Tucker, that's right. That's your stocking. You picked the right one. Good boys. Merry Christmas, Sammy.
Christmas.
Shall we open some?